A pileup involving about 100 cars, trucks and big rigs during a blinding snowstorm has left a 17-mile, 27-kilometer stretch of interstate in central Illinois shut down for a second day Friday. Interstate 39 north of Bloomington was closed in both directions Friday morning as crews worked to untangle the 9 passenger vehicles and 19 commercial vehicles, as well as retrieve dozens more that slid Thursday off the icy roadway, Illinois State Police Trooper Haley Palestina said. Shortly before midday Friday, the northbound lanes were opened, but the southbound lanes remained closed. There were no reports of injuries in the crashes, which happened as winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, cut visibility during a storm that swept through the Midwest and other parts of the country. Authorities were able to escort all the stranded motorists to warming centers, state police said in a statement. The storm created travel problems in Illinois and elsewhere. Chicago's 2 international airports saw more than 500 flights canceled during the storm, which dropped more than 4 inches, 10 centimeters, of snow across the region.